And that's going to bring us to probably the first question, that the reason everyone's here. JL, for stupid people like myself, what is an NFT?
All right, so NFTs are a two-step question because once you actually give the meaning, everybody wants to know, well, what does that mean? So it's a non-fungible token. Fungible is something that could be equally exchanged. So, for example, if me and you both owe, let's say, Robert Falco $100, he's not going to care if I give him 250s or you give him 100, right? You usually use hundreds to light up cigars in the islands, but at the end of the day, they have pretty much the same value. Now, something like that piece right there, that 3D print originated from a file, right? This has been the pain, the vein, I guess, or just really the pain of digital artists, is that even though they are talented and a lot of them come from a traditional medium, it's really hard to establish scarcity in an item that's digital and can be easily duplicated. So where crypto comes in, this is kind of a byproduct of Ethereum, right? But this is where the NFT token comes in, and it's able to verify the ownership, almost like a digital certificate of authenticity, right? Now, the cool thing about that is that, I could sell you a digital file. And just by the way, those digital prints there are not mine, just to clarify. But let's just say I was the owner of, one of those pieces and I wanted to release that. I could create what's called a NFT token, right? And through the blockchain, through Ethereum's smart contracts, that could verify that you're the owner. Maybe you're an art collector. Maybe you like my piece. You find that image online and you want to flip that. Well, the cool thing is that I make not only money on the initial purchase, but also on the resale. And where it gets more interesting is that I can have multiple, almost like limited editions of this, right? And usually the more limited editions you have, it kind of brings down the scarcity value, thus the initial price, if that makes sense.